We're going to sign our goal together. So everybody's phone should be away. Everybody except for Cam should be paying attention, putting other work away. You don't need a piece of paper out anymore. You don't need other homework. You don't need a phone. Here we go. We're going to sign this together. I can sign what my favorite class is. Okay? Today, my goal, what? My favorite class, me, sign, can. Again, today, now, day, basically, now, day, my goal, what? My favorite class, I sign can. Come sit by Tyler or by Max. Either one. Yeah, I'm going to switch this though. We're going to start with this. Okay, first we're going to start by talking about our Wednesday work. So yesterday, your Wednesday work, we're going to discuss it. So first of all, what was one thing that was kind of confusing? It was kind of a new concept that I threw into Wednesday work. Tyler.
You would when you're describing a person, you would point over here to say they're there or something. And I'm confused about it.
Yeah. So yesterday I was putting people in my signing space. So this is a concept that you will use from here on out in American Sign Language. So I would say my mom, right here, she is deaf. Or my dad, here, he's hearing. That man right there, he, whatever, knows French. Okay? I can put people in my signing space all over the place and then talk about them. I can even put a bunch of people. I can say my mom is right there, my dad is right there, and a man named Joe is right there. Joe. Bo? Sure. Yes, Cam. You didn't get an email in your Google Classroom email? Okay, hold on. From here on out, you guys, everybody should have their phones away. If I point at the camera, or you guys, I point at you, that means you. If I'm pointing off to my sides, that's he or she. All right, let's talk about our finger spelling. Number 1 was Halloween. Who figured out how to sign it? So we saw Halloween.
I saw it like this.
Halloween. What are some other ones that we saw? Halloween. All right, I signed Halloween. That's the one I like. Number 2, pumpkin. Pumpkin. You flick the back of your hand. Number 3,
Ghost.
It's like
A genie coming in.
ghost.
It's like two. It's like a spider.
I know.
Number 4,
Costume.
costume.
I found like this.
It's like
So you'll see like Halloween clothes if it's specific. Number 5, trick.
trick. It's like this.
It's like a
rock on symbol. It's really weird.
So trick. You see trick. What else did we
like
find?
that.
You found trick.
Yeah, or like
Oh, I found this where you sneak it right.
Trick.
I just don't want to write that down.
I found
because it's sticking.
I would sign trick because this is like somebody standing there and you're like, and then running away like a ding dong ditch kind of thing. Like, boop, boop. That's the one I sign. But I've never even seen this one. That's fun. It's fun. Well, you might. Number 6, treat.
Yeah, it's like.
What?
Yeah, I found that.
That's what you guys found.
Yeah. It's like.
What else did you guys find?
This one.
Like that.
Candy.
Yeah.
Candy. Yep. That's probably what I would sign.
Is it like
Candy
you're
or
pointing
two
at your
words.
cavity or something?
Maybe. Yeah. Treat. Or treat, like something sweet. Number 17, candy. Well, we just did it.
Yeah.
Candy. Number 8, night.
It's like.
Night.
I found like one like
Number 9, scary.
Oh, we found one and it's like this or something. Yeah, I just put reverse jazz hands for mine.
Reverse handstand. Oh. You put inward jazz hands.
Yeah.
You guys get each other. Oh, you found one for treat? Oh, so that would be treat as in like treat somebody to something. Or like, yeah. But yeah, so that's a really good app, but you just proved my next point. Treat and treat are they're two completely different things, so you might not necessarily be getting the right concept. But it is good to be able to look up vocab easily. Got it. All right, number 10, monster.
Hey, that's my good.
I'm really good at that one because I have like raptor hands.
All right. Any other questions about Wednesday work yesterday? You guys, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of Wednesday work. I put it in as a quiz grade. So if it's not done that day, unless you're absent, if it's not done that day, at the end of your hour, it's 30% off. If it's not done by the time I put it in, the next Wednesday, it's a 0 and you can't change it. So if you're getting 0s on Wednesday work, it's affecting your grade like crazy. Yes. I don't know. Let me check.
Girl. Boy. Sit. Chair. Stand. Class. Teacher. Teach. Steward. Speaker. Spanish. English. French. Chinese. German. School. Kindergarten. Elementary. Middle school. High school. College.
No clue.
Okay. I did that in third and fifth hour.
Nice chin. Yes. Yes. Put best.
Table.
Table.
resolution.
Show, what's the show?
Computer.
Computer.
Show.
I was thinking a drink.
Gavin, you should be signing with us, please. Girls, you should be signing with us. Amira and Haley, you should be signing with us.
Yeah.
I was gonna take.
Gavin, killing me, Smalls.
eraser.
You can't really see it.
Or at least not on the. Yeah, you can see it on the screen. We can see it.
There you go.
So lame. Sunrise. Sunrise. Sam's place.
Right. I think Sam's
So. Alright. Yeah, as long as you don't do so.
It's not good for your hand.
Charlie, no come.
It's not raining, so it's like. Yeah.
Oh, we learned this on the other side.
Rising.
Bridge of Russia.
I say crocodile.
That shot me here really hard. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good night.
Good night. Oh, that makes sense. How do you say thank you? Oh, that's really. That's right. Some people said that.
I won't actually. Didn't know what to call it.
Good.
I know.
Out of focus. Oh, never mind. Sorry about everything.
Oh my god, sorry.
I really don't.
Yes. There.
Forgot the column.
Initialized. What does initialized mean?
First letter.
The first letter of the word. Yeah. Yeah. So, well, if we know math,
Would it be?
algebra, because it has A's, calculus, what do you think geometry would be? Yep. Geometry. Yep. So, math subjects, maths, are all initialized.
This would be trigonometry.
Yep. Trigonometry. Yep. Yep.
Like what they put on the street. Deforestation. Is that the Monopoly man? Oh, he put down the cherry tree. George Washington.
Abraham Lincoln in the church.
Oh, it's George Washington.
I know.
History. Yeah. Oh, world history.
So I got history
World
from
history.
the
Okay, I see that now.
Okay, side note. Did you know that cherry trees grow really fast? They grow really fast. And so, Dave, my husband, I'm going to refer to him as Dave. That's my husband, Dave. Okay. Dave and I went to Traverse City. And there's all these cherry trees and wineries and all this stuff, you know. And so, a lot of these vineyards have these cherry trees. And I was like, well, what do they do when the cherry trees get really tall? Do they bring out ladders and then spend all this time, blah, blah, blah? Or do they chop them down and bring in new cherry trees? I legitimately did not think the answer was what it was. But we were driving and we saw an entire field, like thousands of cherry trees ripped out of the ground. And they burned them all and spread the ashes for fertilizer. And then they plant new cherry trees. What? They grow so fast, and I feel so sorry for those cherry trees. It's not their fault they
be our fault if anything. Aren't they domesticated?
No.
I didn't
I just
I'm getting
Yeah,
very
that's
emotional
low.
over trees.
There's this little area in my backyard where
They might have a cherry tree in our
yeah, we did
You
have.
cut it
We
down.
have an apple
No,
tree and
no, I don't eat them. I don't eat cherries. But what?
Oh, I don't like cherries.
Okay. Sorry. Tangent over.
I used to not like cherries.
I like cherries.
Hey, with the side of it. Chef boy.
Oh, no, I like the style. Okay. What is
No,
that?
I know.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah.
That hurt.
Oh!
I got.
I saw it.
Perfect. That was weird.
Yeah. Oh. 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 Wow.
That's a trick, but. Okay.
That's a trick.
Perfect. I can talk.
Gotta fill it.
We are. Gentlemen. Football.
I thought it was science.
Those killing balls. Shocker.
Soccer.
Oh.
Good.
Bad.
Good morning. Afternoon.
Evening.
Oh.
and night.
Bad.
I forgot.
Science.
History.
Biology.
History.
Well, I mean, if you would stay.
Art.
Band.
Band.
I was up at like 20. I literally saw you. Like,
Good morning. All right. Who are my righties? Raise your hand. Okay, all the righties sign with me right now.
I do both hands.
Okay. So,
I'm not ambidextrous.
left hand. All these are on my righties. Left hand is like this. Right hand on your chin. Good. And left hand is your horizon. Right hand.
Yeah, that's
Your
what I do.
sunshine.
oh, can I do it the
See,
other way?
I do it this
If
way.
you're left-handed, yes. All right, lefties, ready?
Well, I do both. I don't know.
Right hand is down here. Left hand's up at your chin, lefties. Good.
Yeah, I'm doing
Right arm is your horizon. Left arm is your sunshine. Morning.
You want to come sign with us?
Oh, amazing.
Afternoon. Hey, you should be signing evening or night.
Oh,
Math, just math. Algebra. Calculus. Trigonometry. Geometry. Science.
Oh,
Like you're pouring chemicals.
Why is it A?
would it be the same
S?
thing?
It's kind of an S, but it's more so like your thumb is
You
pouring.
do the same thing for physics.
It could be an S. You just move.
For what?
For physics.
Ooh. That's a good question.
I don't.
Physics. No, I think physics is considered a math.
I think it's both.
It's considered
But I
science.
think-
Because we take it in science. You can take it in science.
I'll have to ask about that.
Physics,
Anatomy.
math, and science go together hand in hand.
Biology. Chemistry. History. Art. Music. Band. Choir. Question. Okay. Voices back off.
Oh my god. I have different characters.
Okay, I'm going to go through this really quickly. Everybody watch. You, high school student, you. My eyebrows are up because it's a yes/no question. No, college student. So, no, college student. Oh, you get to lie. Okay, college, you go where? College, you go where? And then you can make up a college. Okay? All colleges, if you're going to do an initialized college like U of M, MSU. Okay, just do the initials. Oh, I see your favorite class. What? Oh, your favorite class. What? Make up a favorite class. You just learned all the classes. Teacher. Who? Make up a teacher. You can pick a high school teacher if you want. Obviously, you're not in college. 5 people. You should be silent because you don't need your voice to sign. Go.
Well, it's like one of those things.
I was.
Wait, no, wait.
Oh, yeah, ask about high school students.
I said, no, what else did I say?
Like wrong one
Yeah, either one.
Very first time I didn't just do it the second time. Can you look at me when I sign?
I guess see what I gotta say. Sure.
I can't see what I have to
You
sign.
don't have to. Yep. Because you can see.
Look at the thing. Look at it.
Oh,
Do
that's
you want to ask me? Okay. Nice for you.
Heard. Forgot what school we go to. Okay.
oh.
I'll show you later if you want.
That was really rough. Is it O?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks- I see. I see.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say O. I'm just gonna say O. Did you forget that too? You don't know. Okay.
Here's the goal.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Wait,
can-
ready?
I'm gonna go ahead and sing. I'm taking the classes.
What's psychology? I know, but I want to know. What's psychology? I just wanted to know. Like,
Alright, thanks, Ben. I will see you tomorrow. Have a good rest of your
I
day.
can't see it. I already asked you. I already said that. Oh my gosh. I'm
Are you
not
guys done with 5 people?
I know.
Yes.
What teacher? It's still a question. It's still a big question.
Alright.
Max.
Finish. 33.
Lamar.
Sign it.
You should know.
What's 33? It's like that's 3.
Why not?
I'm a science
Question right?
sound box.
Yeah.
I don't know how to spell it.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Matters if-
Wait.
I do it with my teacher too.
Why would you ask?
Why?